Finally got her back. Ooh. And I got so much content coming, bro. I got so much. But look at, hey, she's all fixed. Look at this. This shit's crazy. What's good, YouTube? Back again with another video. I just got the car back yesterday. I'm so excited. Yo, there's so much stuff that I'm about to be doing to it. Well, not be doing to it, but about to be showing you guys what's happening. And yo, it's about to break the internet, bro. I just got my license plates in, and obviously the bumper's fixed. If you guys don't know, last video, a Trackhawk hit me. It was legit. It happened right here in front of my house. Long story short, dude tried putting it, he tried revving the vehicle and he put it in drive, bro. I don't know what happened, I don't know why he did that, but he almost hit my wife, and it's a real video, so no cap. But first though, I'm really excited to show you guys what's good and what happened to the vehicle real quick. And then I want to show you guys what I got on my license plate, because it's one of none. And your boy got his car back, yo. So yeah, stay tuned for this shit. Hey, thank you guys for the support and what you guys have been doing, showing love. So thank you guys so much. But hey, make sure that you like and subscribe for this one. And I want to show you guys the rest of this video, so stay tuned. Alright, I want to show you guys real quick and turn it off. But yeah, trunk opens up beautifully. Hey, and plus we're going camping too today, so I might make a whole video on that. I'm not too sure, but I want to show you guys the whole gist of everything. And yeah, they took the whole panel of the trunk piece off because it got kinked right here, so the latch was like way out here, so it wasn't latching correctly. And then the bumper had to be replaced, new taillights, all OEM pieces. And I'm just very blessed and thankful that of course my family's okay. We all straight. And then yeah, man, it just shuts beautifully like it never even happened, man. But hey, that's besides the point though. That's besides the point. Like, look at the bumper though. Like, you can't even see it because it's, oh yeah. Like the paint match, bro, is like so spot on. So if you guys don't know, or like what I was trying to explain to you guys, is the bumper had to get replaced too, and the diffuser right here. So everything OEM, but the bumper itself had to get repainted. So, and this is, guys, this car that I have, like, no kiddie, it's only 43 to 42 million, man, maximum steel. So yeah. But yeah, hey, for real though, I'm about to show you guys the license plate right now and get to it. So let's get it. I'm gonna take off the old license plate with the new license plate that I'm about to show you guys. A little sneak preview real quick, let's go, baby. So yes, let me take this off real quick. Oh, they barely put it on. Hold on real quick. Oh, okay, cool. Got that going, and then whatever. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this since we got the bumper fixed. You guys ready for this? Alright guys, check it out. You already know what time it is, yo, let's get it. You thought Daytona, this is my baby. You know what I'm saying? You thought this is her. Yo, that's mean, bro. That's crazy. Celebrating America's love affair with cars and rock and roll. You thought. Yo, I told you this was gonna be big, yo. Seriously, stay tuned because I'm about to be doing more like B-rolls, and then we're about to go camping right now. So I'm about to show you guys like a lot more doper shots of the car with the license plates on. But yo, I'm so excited. I got the car out, got the bumper fixed, the whole back fixed, got the license plates. I got more coming, baby. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I'm about to show you guys what's happening, and gosh, I'm so glad that my car is back, baby. Let's get it. Yee! You ready, Draco? Let's go, baby. Let's go camping. It wasn't that bad coming over here, so I did go a little off-roading a little bit. But what? About the license plate, let me know. Fishing! We're going fishing. This is ours right here. Oh shit.